Images have been a perennial problem in our business well into the production process. Images are often found not to conform to the publisher's specifications. Replacement images have to be found. With multiple versions of images flying around, mistakes sometimes happen, causing midstream issues. PubPACE was developed a few years ago to enable authors to pre-process their images so that when they submit their manuscripts to the publishers, the images are known to conform. Over 30,000 authors have used PubPACE, testifying to its usefulness. PubPACE is a perfect example of Apex's design principle of balancing the cognitive power of the human mind with the processing power of the computer. The computer is used to ensure that the images conform to the technical specifications, but the computer cannot verify the quality of the resulting images. That takes a human eye. In PubPACE, once images are processed, the user is required to inspect and approve each image for clarity and quality. Again, as an incentive to authors for adopting PubPACE, we offer them good process rewards. PubPACE is used early in the PubHub workflow to ensure that all images conform to the publisher's specifications. When a user logs into PubPACE, he is presented with the manuscript for which images are to be processed. In this demo, it is Zoning, a Guide for 21st Century Planning. All images in the manuscript are automatically loaded into PubPACE. A search function allows the user to easily find an image. A preview pane provides a thumbnail for quick reference and the ability to view an image full size with a click. PubHub preloads 3 default values based on the publisher's specifications: color, image type, and orientation. However, the user can override these. The images are processed once these parameters have been set for all the images. Images that already conformed to the specifications are left unchanged. Images that did not conform are corrected to bring them into conformance. If this is successful, PubPACE indicates the adjustments that were made. For image 1, the resolution was retained at 600 ppi. The height was changed from 4876 pixels to 3280 pixels, and the width was changed from 6501 pixels to 4373 pixels. For images that could not be converted, PubPACE identifies the problem and provides the solution. For image 2, the user is asked to provide a replacement. You will notice that as soon as I uploaded the replacement image, PubPACE automatically reprocesses it immediately. Once all images have been successfully processed to conform to the publisher's specifications, the user is required to visually inspect each image and certify it for clarity. The computer can process an image so that it conforms to the specs technically, but it cannot determine if the clarity and quality of the converted image is acceptable. That requires a human to decide. This is a perfect example of Apex's design principle of balancing the cognitive power of the human mind with the processing power of the computer. A final note: an author can use PubPACE to pre-process all images before submitting his manuscript. This eliminates the considerable back and forth that goes on in current processes to get conforming images from authors. And the repeated exchange of image files raises the possibility of mistakes. Therefore, authors are given good process rewards for adopting PubPACE.